Hello students, in this video we will see how to identify equation of a graph where they gave one equation and they are mentioning it as it is parallel to that above line or parallel and passing through certain point, perpendicular to the above line and perpendicular to that above and passing through certain point. We will see this thing. Okay, so first one is parallel. Okay, they gave the equation of this line and we have to find another equation that is parallel to this line. Okay, so for that what we should do means we should find the gradient of this line. Yes, what is the gradient? M1. We'll have it as M1. Gradient of this line is M1. Okay, so M1 equal to, how can we find means y equal to mx plus c format. So we'll rewrite this one in mx plus c format. So 3y equal to 9 plus 2x. Then y equal to 9 plus 2x by 3. And I'm just dividing this 3 with both the terms. So 3 plus 2 by 3x. Here, which is the gradient? The coefficient of x is the gradient. So 2 by 3 is the gradient. So M1 is 2 by 3. This is gradient of this given line. Now what we should do? We have to identify equation of another line which is parallel to this above line. If it is simply parallel to above line, what we are going to do means we are going to use the same gradient. Y equal to 2 by 3x plus you can change any y-intercept. So here I am going to give it as 5 or y equal to 2 by 3x minus 10. You can change this number alone. Since it is parallel, the gradient is same. Okay, so if it is a parallel, we are going to use this. Now, what they give here, parallel to the given line and also it passes through this one. So, in this case, what you will do means y equal to 2 by 3x plus, here we are just simply writing any number. But in this case, we should not write any number. We should write the corresponding number. Okay, so how we will find means we have to substitute this point. So to find this, I'm just making it as a C, constant. So how we are going to find this? I'm going to substitute this point here. So y is 0 equal to 2 by 3 into 2 plus C. So 0 equal to 4 by 3 C plus C. So C equal to negative 4 by 3. So what is the equation of that line? Y equal to 2 by 3 x minus 4 by 3. So here they gave equation like this, 3y minus 2x equal to 9. So if I want to bring like that, here both the denominators are 3. So this is, I'll just write here. So y equal to 2x minus 4 by 3. So I'm just taking this other side. So 3y equal to 2x minus 4. And if you bring this side means 3y minus 2x equal to minus 4. Or if you want to remove this negativity, you can change like this. 2x minus 3y equal to 4. I'm just multiplying minus sign throughout this one. So I brought my equation like this. Okay. So if they mention parallel to the above line, you can simply write the gradient and you can put any number. But if they mention parallel to the above line and passing through this point, you have to substitute this way. Now, same way we will find for perpendicular to above line. So here M1 is 2 by 3. So what we should do here means it is negative reciprocal. So what is this is positive in the above case. So I should make it as a negative and reciprocal of that number. 2 by 3, what is the reciprocal of that? 3 by 2. Okay, now we are going to use this. Y equal to minus 3 by 2 x plus any number you can put. I'm just putting 5, 6, 7, whatever I want, I can fill here because they didn't mention any criteria. But in this case, perpendicular to the given line and passing through 8, 6. So what we should do? Here also M2 will be negative reciprocal, minus 3 by 2. So y equal to minus 3 by 2 x plus c. We have to find this c. So for that, we are going to substitute this point here. So what is that? 6 equal to minus 3 by 2 into 8 plus c. Now you can cancel this 2 and this 8. It will go 4 times. So 6 equal to minus 12 plus c. Bring this 12 this side. C equal to 6 plus 12, that is 18. So what is the main equation? Y equal to minus 3x by 2 plus 18. If I want to take LCM, here in the previous case, we had both the number denominator 3. But here it is not like that. Yes, I have only 2 here. I am not having here. So what I should do means I should take LCM before I am bringing this to this side. So minus 3x plus 36. How 36? 18 into 2 is 36 divided by 2. I'm just taking this. 2y equal to minus 3x plus 36. If I'm bringing this side, 2y plus 3x equal to 36. So this is the equation which is satisfying perpendicular to the given line and passing through that point.